MarketPal. Dashboard for marketing products and services. MarketPal, world's only app that creates lightning-fast pages, pop-ups, splash pages, sticky bars and sends unlimited emails with zero hassles. Build a profitable online business with all-in-one suite. Sell courses, books, digital product or services. Build a huge list and promote affiliate offers. Create lead pages, sales pages, coming soon etc. 200 plus DFY templates. Drag and drop editor with free flow. Limited time commercial license to provide high in demand services to your clients. All in one marketing platform. Everything you need to create unlimited marketing pages, capture unlimited leads, send unlimited emails and drive unlimited traffic to any page or offer easily. Get everything max. Effortlessly get max visitors, get max engagement, max conversions, max emails delivery, max leads and ultimately max sales with zero tech hassles. Have complete control over your traffic, leads, and profits. Don't lose any traffic, leads, and profits with any third-party dependency. No worries of paying monthly. During this launch special deal, get all benefits at limited low one-time fee. 50 plus more cool features with limited time commercial license. We've left no stone unturned to give you an unmatched experience. MarketPal. Create unlimited, proven converting sales, lead, webinar, affiliates review pages for any niche and goal in few minutes. Advanced sales boosters with AI-based personalized notification technology to engage visitors and convert them into lifetime happy customers. Send unlimited beautiful emails and autoresponders to your subscribers instantly or schedule for later date and time. Get ready to use over 500 plus landing page, emails, pop-ups, splash pages and sticky bar templates. Advanced drag and drop page builder and inbuilt email editor to craft best emails. Precise analytics for all your marketing campaigns to analyze, optimize, and boost your ROI. MarketPal demo video. MarketPal, dashboard for marketing products and services.